Yeah, just a few.
Well, that'll help. That's one of the very few drivable deliveries they've had in the last, 20 balls that they've bowled so far. And picks the gap again. If anything, even better than the previous shot. So Bavuma is up and running. 2 wickets for 50.
AB out.
That is even more inventive. He played a couple of classic cover drives, but he's obviously got his eye in here because now he finds the gap. Shorter boundary, but quick outfield too.
That's a short.
Down the leg side and 4 runs for Bavuma. Racing across this fast outfield, yet another boundary to the name of Temba Bavuma.
Klassen's one that's quite similar across both. He's 49 batting first and 52 batting second. Bavuma.
Mahedi Hassan Miraj doing really well. Edged and gone. Finally the breakthrough, and it's that man Bolt who strikes. Temba Bavuma has got to make his way off the... How close was that? One of the best. Nicely played by Rassie van der Dussen. He's just rolled his wrists and got that across the boundary for 4.
Maybe just short of Mitchell Santner.
Oh, Tim Southey has been met. Well, I think it's safe. It is safe. It lands in between them all as they...
He's aggressive against him.
Lovely touch. That is eased into the crowd. Few people make it look that easy.
Where they want to. The first thing...
Oh, my goodness me. That's a loosener if ever I've seen one. Rachin
gives himself some room.
Well, he's been looking for that, and he's found it.
Third time lucky.
Now, you wouldn't believe it. It was a
Dussen, and something he definitely won't want to continue, but that's beautifully played. The placement on that sublime. Had to thread it through the two of them. It wasn't a big gap, and did it up with a certain rate. I don't think that's out. I think it's the same bump ball, isn't it?
Well, they look a bit more confident here in New Zealand. Phillips is probably the one that's least interested.
Well, that's tomorrow. More like that is what South Africa want. Beautiful back. I think he's put that in the gap.
हेलो जी, क्या आपको भी मेरे पीछे गाड़ी नजर आ रही है? जी हाँ, बिल्कुल सही. मैंने ये ट्रेडिंग करके लिए.
15.
Yeah.
50 for Rassie van der Dussen. 14. 4 runs. Bolt is urging the umpire, as is Latham. That's the way he's going to play, Quinton de Kock, and he gets the reward. Hasn't gone where he wanted to, but he'll still get the boundary. He's got a wry smile on his face. Aggressive catch it. That will fall short. And good work by... That's a good shot from Quinton de Kock. He knows they've got to get a move on.
Just
for a moment, I thought Quinton de Kock was in trouble.
won't be bowling again, so
Crunched away, and there's a protection on the boundary. Good work from Conway.
Heaves it through the onside, and that will beat Devon Conway into the fence.
He gave himself room early, did Van der Dussen, probably looking to top.
Goes big, he gets 6. It's 1, 2, 3, 4 for Quinton de Kock. And that'll help. That will help indeed.
Yeah, it was pretty.
Look at that. More of those won't help their cause, though. It's just stand and deliver stuff.
Yeah, just over 2 overs to
the pure strike rate. It's the ability to get...
That's absolutely fantastic. That is so clever.
Yeah, I like the field because it's the big boundary that he's put all his
10 overs.
That's a good shot. And that takes Van der Dussen into the 90s. Partnership for the second. Out. Finally get rid of Quinton de Kock. And it is Glenn Phillips with a safe pair of hands, trying to guide it between 2 players behind point. Misses target.
Yeah, he did.
Little touch was there first up. Tom Latham thinks so. He went up straight away. He's now going to ask himself whether he should review it. And he...
It's going to beat them both. I tell you what, it's taken Van der Dussen. Good hit, really good hit. Needed to be and was.
Yeah, and once again it's...
And oh no! Trent Boult. There's always a... There you go. There it goes. Oh, they could come back for 2, could they? They should, they do. That's lovely batting. Softest conditions. That is a biggie. Don't worry about that. Someone in the crowd might grab it.